Faulkner's work during his most prolific period, the 1930s, approximates the buoyantly conservative tone of Southern regionalism in general, and also indirectly characterizes its blank progress. Wow, a lot of stuff going on here. So, again, ignore facts and figures and verbiage. So, there goes Faulkner. There goes the 1930s. But we can just say this author's work more or less approximates, so similar to this, buoyantly conservative, this upbeat conservative tone, okay, of this area of the South, and it indirectly characterizes its blank progress. So it's upbeat, conservative South, and what does that South think of progress? Well, look at that. When you see a word in quotation marks, there's doubt, there's reservation, sometimes even sarcasm. But we know that the people of the South do not believe what's happening elsewhere in the country is really progress. And so therefore they doubt its progress. So we can get rid of affinity, a likeness for. Sanguineness, this word means cheerful. Not cheerful about it. They're doubting it. Skepticism, there's doubt. Perfect. Bitterness, well, is doubt and bitterness the same thing? No, they're different. And if they were bitter about progress, it's almost assuming that progress has already happened. Now they're angry, resentful towards it, but they don't even think progress really has happened. So again, D is out. E, aggression toward, and too strong in general. They're just simply doubting progress. And there we have repudiation, which is a doubt. So or a denial of something. So maybe denial is a little bit stronger than doubt, but they're similar words. They create similar sentences, and there are two answers.